Hi, we're back. It's still Easter, so happy Easter again. I have made up a couple of colors. I don't really know what I'm doing yet. We're kind of winging it. I have this nice berry color from Folk Art. It's actually called Berry Wine. And I mixed up a cobalt blue. We still have a little bit of that metallic peacock. We have our copper. And we have some other colors pre-made, so we will kind of decide what we're putting in as we go, I think, because that's just how I like to go. So we have an 11 by 14. And we are just going to start layering. I think we would like some lighter colors at the bottom. So we're going to start with some white at the bottom. And let's go with spring green and yellow. There. Make sure I get the right caps on the right bottles. And let's go with this one. We'll do the teal and the peacock and the gold together. I don't want a whole lot of that gold though. Then we're going to go with, I have this house paint mixture, which is 2 parts phthalo green to 3 parts phthalo blue, and it's just house paint. And we're going to mix that next to, how about bright magenta? Like that. And then we're going to move on to, what do I want to do next? Well, let's just move on and do our berry wine and our cobalt blue. Like that. And we're going to lay a base of white. I'd like a little bit more blue in there. I think so. We're going to start in this corner and maybe work our way up. So, come on. Work with me, people. Okay. I'm going to start pouring off the canvas. Okay. I'm going to stretch that just a little bit. That. And then I'm going to come back through again. This way. Like that. And I'm going to come back one more time. Just because I have paint left. Okay. Cover my corner down here. That metallic peacock is really shiny. Sorry, I know my canvas is a little too big for my area right now. I was meaning to bring down the other tripod to do a bigger canvas, and I did not. Just trying to stretch out that middle section, the third line of pour, just a little bit. That might be all I want to do. I'll touch up my sides where I put my fingers. See if I can keep my microphone cord out of the side of my painting. That would be great. I think that's it. I'm going to pause you and bring you in for a close-up. Okay, so this is it. This is my 11 by 14 traveling ring pour. I don't think that metallic peacock is showing up very well on camera, but it is very sparkly. Okay, there it is. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, have a great day. Bye.